What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm picking up some new wheels. Yeah. So yeah, I'm waiting for CJ right now to be at the crib. I just woke up at around 5 o'clock in the morning just to do some editing videos. Again, right now we haven't been posting a lot of videos lately because, like I said, the editing takes time right now. And on top of that, we all got busy lives, and hopefully by next year, next car season, we're doing more and more stuff to promote more car shows. And on my projects, let's just say, got something coming up big. It's already November, pretty much. What's it called? I'm trying to pretty much have more stuff done with Kev on our merch line, because we want to promote more. Like, I haven't really been wearing any of our Launch D merch yet because it's still in the prototype process right now that Kevin's working on right now. And on top of that, today, like I said, we're picking up some parts. So this is definitely part of the Monday maintenance video. So I just want to make sure it's part of the vlog. It'll be chopped up a little bit. And there is a car show coming up today. I think it's called Cars and Cigars. So I'll see if I can make it over there. But if not, then we'll see. But on top of that, waiting for CJ right now. Oh yeah, as usual. Get your Red Bull ready. Bing. I wish I was sponsored by Red Bull. Oh shit! What's up, sexy? Man.
It's so cold.
Dude, my nuts are burning in here, dude. Bruh. We're gonna pick up some new gear, some new stuff. Oh,
let's go get it.
Well, welcome my new member at Launch D, CJ right here.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up? He's a little camera shy. Yeah. So we're gonna go get some stuff and we're about to leave right now. What is up, guys? We are back, and pretty much there's CJ right here. So we pretty much landed on a gold mine right now.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm just like staring back here real quick. It's pretty much Subaru over Subaru. So all I can say is that this gentleman right here that I met right now, he's got a shitload of parts. All I can say.
Hi, my name's Max.
Oh, there's Max right there. Oh, Max, you don't mind being in the video, right?
No, I don't mind.
Oh, all right, perfect. Yeah. So this is Max right here.
Yeah, I'm Max Johns, and I sell affordable Subaru parts in Fredericksburg, and I always have like about 10 cars that I'm parting out at any given time. So if you need anything, my goal is to sell stuff for cheap.
Oh, here we go, man. I'll pull like
Except for
a
the
link.
Sparkos. Those
Oh no, yeah.
well, those were pretty cheap actually.
Yeah.
But
So yeah, walking around pretty much. Max, you want to show us around your bug guy, and then walk around and give us a little intro again. Yeah, as how we met in the beginning. So he has a nice bug eye over there, and he's working on it. He's doing some WRX stuff to it. Unfortunately, no SCI stuff because this guy is about OEM stuff right here. It's okay. We all need OEM parts as, everyday cars or some, off-road cars. But this is clean. Don't mind about the leaves.
I actually found this thing in the woods. It's been sitting since the inspection on it died in 2016.
Oh.
So it's been sitting for 5 years.
Wow.
And I'm going to be putting a WRX engine out of another 2003
Okay.
with 125,000 miles on it.
Gotcha.
So I'll be putting that together and selling it. And then after that, I'm going to have a whole WRX parts car. Usually what I do is I buy cars that are normally aspirated 2007 back and part them out. Here's an example of one.
Perfect.
I just pulled up yesterday.
CJ, stop drooling, man. So, this is heaven right here, man.
I just pulled this up to the killing floor.
Legacy over legacy. Don't mind the tools, guys.
I'll be pulling the engine out this morning to get to. I got to take the engine out anyway, so I'm going to be taking the engine out.
Hmm?
So it'll be easier to get to the steering rack.
Correct.
Because this is another car, LL Bean that I'm selling, but the steering rack is loose.
Right.
So I'm going to take the steering. If the steering rack in this is good, I'm going to put this in the LL Bean.
Nice.
So when I am done with this, the engine and transmission, drive shaft, differential, front and rear subframes will be out of it, and I'll be saving all of those parts to make lift kits.
Oh, nice.
So that's kind of what I do. Anybody that wants to buy hoods or fenders, doors, that sort of thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Interior parts. There's some interior parts that are good. This one's in pretty rough shape, but
we're gonna put a lift kit in CJ's FRS. We're gonna put a lift kit in his FRS or BRZ.
Yeah, there you go. Why not?
Why not? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's under warranty. So it's under warranty though. But if you got cash to blow, man, obviously put some lifts on it if you're gonna go off road. Oh, show us your Hawkeye, man.
Okay.
Dude, show us your Hawkeye, man. All right, guys. So you guys saw that just now. Max has this nice Hawkeye that I saw when I first entered in his premises, and I already thought it was. I thought it was a blow-by for a sec, but I love blow-bys too. But I love Hawkeyes, especially when I saw Baby Driver. You seen Baby Driver, right, Max?
Have you seen it? The movie
Baby Driver? Oh, you need to watch that movie, man. Baby Driver. I mean, they promote the Hawkeye over there. And they made it into a rear-wheel drive car. So they use it. Yeah, they use it for a heist run, and they promote it on Boxer Fest, stuff like that. So
cool.
Okay.
Yeah, so I bought this new in 2007 because I took a new job going to Winchester, and I convinced my wife that it was important to have the all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Symmetrical all-wheel drive.
Yeah,
over the mountains, and the WRX engine would help merging on 81.
Ah, exactly. Yeah.
Rear-ended by big trucks. It worked. When she drove it, she said, "You sure this isn't a midlife crisis?"
Oh,
and I
man.
said, "No, I'm only 47. That's too young for a midlife
Too
crisis."
young, man.
But
Too young.
it was bone stock until a couple of years ago. At 200,000 miles, the engine it had the head gaskets, and the heads got warped, and I decided to go ahead and have a brand new STI short block put in.
Here's a short block.
And at the same point in time,
So this is pretty much daily driven, all right? Daily driven Subarus, not daily driven exotics.
so I put the engine in, and at that point in time, I really didn't have any aftermarket parts, and then I started getting some and putting them on, mostly bolt-on stuff.
Oh man, that's okay, dude. I mean,
at the same time, I had it forced suspension put on it, so that I would have a little bit more lift, so I could drive down gravel roads in the country. Without scraping on anything.
Yeah, he's not about the slam life; he's about the lift life.
And I also had put in Forester leather seats because they're just more comfortable for a big old fat guy like me.
Yep, me too.
And then just some other stuff. You're not going to see too many with roof racks on.
Custom. Well, custom faded, but it's custom good.
Yeah, but it's a lot of fun. I mean, it's the funnest car to drive.
Of course,
even with the lift. Somebody asked me if it affected the body roll. I said it had 0 body roll before, and it still has 0 body roll.
Oh,
so
man.
I mean, it handles like a dream.
It must be hell of a fun to drive off road, man.
Oh yeah. Well, so one time I went backpacking a couple of years with my brother-in-law and in West Virginia. We were screaming down these gravel roads, and then the next time we went in his Jeep Rubicon.
Oh, the Rubicon.
But he was sliding all over the place.
Yeah.
Because it just doesn't handle. Believe it or not, it doesn't handle well on a gravel road.
Right.
This thing freaking screams.
Oh, you want to give the audience a cold start, man?
Sure.
There we go. I'm sure you guys want to hear what it sounds like. All right, guys, and we're gonna check out something real fast, real quick, and show you guys. I know, but to me, I'm actually happy to see a nice, not modified, clean GC, GM, whatever you want to call it, because the gentleman right here, Max, he showed me around pretty much every Subaru he's got over here, and the man's cool. Kudos, Max. You guys are awesome. You're awesome, buddy. So check this out real quick. So it's a 95 2.5. Well, actually, it's a 2.2. But like, where do you find it's kind of hard to find barn finds sometimes when it's these type of cars right now. But like, he was telling me that his buddy owns it, and he offered me to buy it. But so many projects right now. So as you guys know, it's actually an automatic. Clean though, but it could be some. It's a restoration project. But right now, I mean, look at that. There is no rust. Zero rust. Like zero. That's how good this car is. But I mean, to us guys that are building stuff, I mean, this is a gold mine right here. If you're gonna be doing a coupe build, I would definitely pick this up. And I've never seen these colors much around my area right now. And DJ, oh, he's over there. so yeah, as you guys know, that this is pretty much a 2.2 and it's a 95. But other than that, like I said, I'm not sure. It doesn't run, I think, too. No, don't say anything. It's a secret. It's a secret. So right now, pretty much. Oh, look, he's got some. I think he's got some WRX bumpers right here. Yeah. So if you guys are looking for parts, OEM stuff, yeah, this guy Max is here to hit you up and get you some parts. But yeah, this guy has a shitload of freaking WRX parts and Outbacks, Legacies. He's got it, and he also has a GC over there too. Gold mine. So right now we're just gonna hear the cold start real quick because Max forgot his key in his house. So
Everything here is Subaru.
everything is Subaru. It's a Subaru. Subaru. And then after we come here, we're probably gonna grab something to eat. Oh, it's hey, what time is it?
10:47.
Oh, okay. So one more hour. It's his birthday, Philippine time. All right. It's almost his birthday.
Oh,
What
yeah,
are you?
Actually, they're
what?
advanced.
Oh, then there you have it. It's almost your birthday then.
Oh, I was
So it's almost his birthday. It will be. Yeah, we're both born in the Philippines, so it's pretty much our birthdays are a day ahead.
Yeah.
So there's Mac. He's about to do the startup, the cold start real quick. The keys are on this seat. It's okay, Mac. We're getting young. The smell of tune.
Want to take a ride?
You want to take a ride? We gotta go soon, Max.
No, I get it.
But the next time we'll be here and pick up some stuff from Max. It's good to find other Subaru enthusiasts who do some, OEM stuff and like, get some parts from, because, get guys like this guy right here. We pretty much try to make the brand, not over explicit like other brands that to make it to the point where it's hyped up. So this guy right here, Max, he's been with the Subaru game since what, the 70s, you said?
Pardon?
How long you been in the Subaru game?
I started delivering cars at a body shop in 1977.
See, 77. I was born in
Delivered
86.
cars.
I was born in 86.
We delivered cars to Stoneman Volkswagen Subaru.
there you have it,
And
man.
then I bought my first in '88 and have owned them ever since. Got this in 2007.
Look at that.
Started the business, Superman parts, and
I'll post a link below. So
Parts.
we'll keep in contact on Facebook, and I'll post a link below. And when I hit in my 60s, I'm gonna be like Max too, having a nice.
that's right. You'll be Superman.
Yeah, that's right. But the only difference, though, this guy will be at my age pretty much then. So anyway, so we're about to go get something to eat, and Max is about to do his thing. So you're back. All right, guys. So we got hungry. Me and CJ. We're at Golden Corral. So anyway, I just want to close this vlog right now, and what's it called? Well, I'm not gonna close it. I still gotta do the stuff on the stuff that I picked up at Max's house. So right now, me and CJ are actually gonna finish up today, get lunch, and then, like I said, his birthday's already up.
Give us
Happy
my
birthday.
steak.
Oh yeah, get the steak. So pretty much we're just gonna finish lunch, and then after that, I'm gonna go back to the dealership and drop off the parts. Oh, excuse me. I'm pretty hungry now. So on top of that, my wifey, I miss you. You're at work. Oh, man, she's like, oh. So again, like I said, like, subscribe, please. We need the subscription, guys. Like most people that watch our videos don't even subscribe. Please, we need your subscriptions. Come on, TJ, tell them.
Join us,
subscribe.
guys. Come on.
Subscribe.
Follow and subscribe, and also hit that bell button.
Oh, there we go. That's the shit he's talking about. Cha-ching! All right, guys. And welcome back, guys. You guys are probably wondering on the thumbnail what my wheels are, pretty much. So as you guys saw, they're pretty bald. Let me show you guys. Let me show you how bad my tires are. They're really bald. Look at that. On the inside, there's no tread, because I have been door dashing with this car a lot. So I did pick up some Sparkle Terras, or Terras, however you pronounce it. I didn't get any center caps with it, and I did paint it white. You know, the original color was actually gray or silver, but white's gonna look good on the GC right now. These are gonna be painted, powder coated. Rob, shout out to Rob. Gonna be seeing him soon. Yeah, let's get this started. Okay, so the wheels look so freaking good on the car. I cannot wait till it snows. Look at that. Oh my god, dude. Sparkle Terras look so good. And I'm gonna install my Kicks. What's it called? Kicks Racing Gear. I forgot. So these are actually, they're called Duraluminum from, well, they call it like Dura because of the Italian word for, I think it's called racing, maybe? Anyway, oh yeah, I'm following this in a little bit, and they look so good. I cannot wait to torque them. So, these nuts are probably like what, less than maybe, not even a pound. Here, Mario, hold my nut.
I'm gonna throw some nut on you.
Ew, man, fucking gross, bro. This is my camera guy. I can't believe he's throwing a nut at me, man. So anyway, the wheel looks so good. Like, it looks so good. So I'm gonna put some sparkle sticker on there. But on top of that, right now I'm waiting for some center caps right now. So I'm gonna put that in a little bit. But anyway, guys, that looks so good. When it finishes, I'll take a little photo of it. So as you guys know, I'm gonna torque these real quick. It's, I think 80 pounds.
They look really beautiful. Come on, boss.
Can't find my nut.
He's just fixing his nut. Does it need the parking brake?
No.
Oh, the parking brake.
I should hold it on the floor there. You hold on there. Right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten these up real quick. Alright, guys. The car is on white on blue. There's my old wheels. There's little Mario. It's me, Mario.
One sec. I think you did this on purpose, but I'm not too sure. But let me take a guess. The color after the cherry blossom. See it? Is that this?
Yeah, Mario. Yeah, Mario. Yeah, Mario.
Oh, is it?
It is.
I knew it.
Anyway, that's the vlog for. That's the vlog for today, guys. Hope you guys like how everything is with my new wheels. This is my winter setup, guys. So, I'm so tired. Oh, my bad, dude. So yeah, those wheels, I'm definitely gonna have those unmount those tomorrow, and then I'll have Rob powder coat them. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Just like, subscribe. Mario, I just say like, subscribe, and share.